I'd like to welcome everybody. I'm very excited to see how many people showed up today. For those of you who don't know, my name is Beverly Souza, and I represent People Incorporated, and I'm the treasurer of the Child Protection Council. The Child Protection Council meets once a month, the first Wednesday of every month, exactly at 10:30, and we're out exactly at 11:30 at St. Vincent's Library. I want to present Joey De Silva. He is the chairperson of the Child Protection Council. He represents Fall River Housing Authority.
Every year we select an individual or a couple of organizations that are working with children and families in our community. It's my great pleasure to announce two agencies that will be receiving awards today. First is the Boys and Girls Club of Fall River. The Boys and Girls Club is a youth development agency which has been serving youth in grades 1st through senior year of high school in the greater Fall River area for over 120 years. They offer a safe place for youth to learn, play, and grow. Club programs and service promotes and enhance the development of our members by instilling a sense of completeness, usefulness, belonging, and powerful of influence. Their mission enables you to reach their full potential and responsible, caring, and productive citizens. Their vision, to reach our full potential as individuals, an organization, and community. Last year, 2,705 members visited the Boys and Girls Club, and 58% members participated in at least one organized program. Last year, 53 high school seniors were members, 43 graduated. An average of 302 members attended our weekly Safe and Sound Saturday activity. Last year, 65,657 meals were served at the club and at summer camp. I'm the Family Youth Service Coordinator for the Fall River Housing Authority. Boys and Girls Club in partnership with the Housing Authority. They donate 50 memberships to the Housing Authority children, and they provide a bus and everything. And I work here on Wednesdays and Friday nights. They've been doing it for 6 years. We take children from Maple Gardens, Benny Castle, Riley Plaza, from the settings out of the development, and then they get a nutritious meal. So at least twice a week, we know the kids are getting something to eat and having a safe place to be. Thank you for that. The Greater Fall River Child Protection Council acknowledges the Boys and Girls Club of Fall River for their work with children and families. Thank you.
You know, the Boys and Girls Club is there for kids after school programs, and we're there every night. Last night, I think, when we closed the doors, over 500 different kids were there, and it happens with everybody in the room collaborating together and help us to make a difference in the lives of the children we serve. Thank you, guys.
Our next agency is Health First. Health First, their mission is Health First, a family care center, is to foster through both direct services and collaborations, high-quality, comprehensive primary health care which meets the needs of a diverse community regardless of age or income, and to provide access to health care to those who not otherwise seek it. At this time, I'd like to call up Julie Almond, who is the CEO. The Greater Fall River Child Protection Council acknowledges Health First Family Care Center for their work with children and families.
Thank you very much.
Jackie and I went to high school together. Hey, Peter. Help First, a federally qualified health center, is a mission-driven, patient-focused organization serving the people of the Greater Fall River community for over 42 years. Last year, we provided quality medical and dental care to over 8,400 children and adults, a majority of whom live at or below the federal poverty guidelines. In our new facility on Quarry Street, we employ 90 individuals and have the capacity in our new space to more than double the number of people we serve. Our dental department, under the direction of Dr. Anila Khalid, a compassionate leader, is growing quickly, and we now employ 5 dentists and a hygienist. Our pediatrics department, which in my opinion forms the foundation for our family medical practice, is our primary focus area for growth, and we are actively recruiting a new pediatrician and another pediatric nurse practitioner. I'm always proud to say that the state-recognized Fall River WIC program has been with us throughout most of our history. Through the years, Help First's reputation for providing quality care and knocking down barriers to care has sustained us. In addition, the financial support of our community partners and the collaboration with many other key organizations in our community, represented today by many of you, have been the key to Help First's success as well. And it's for these reasons that I'm especially proud to accept this award today. I extend my thanks and appreciation to each of you for your daily acts of kindness and care, especially to the most vulnerable in our community. Thank you very much.
At this time, we have a special presentation to make. I'd like to call up Ms. Paula Harrison.
It's with honor that I was asked to talk about the individual's person who's receiving the Individual Service Award this year. For the past 7 years, this individual officially served as Health First Family Care Center's outreach coordinator. Her primary responsibility was to promote Health First medical and dental programs and services in the Greater Fall River community, especially to those who might be uninsured, underinsured, or without access to health care. Actively serving on many boards and committees that involve so many of the area's social service agencies, such as Partners for a Healthier Communities Access to Healthcare Committee, the Child Protection Council, Access to Health and Wellbeing, Health and Families Collaborative, Homeless Service Providers, United Neighbors of Fall River, the Domestic Violence Coalition, the Greater Fall River Food Security Network, the Head Start Policy Council, and more, provides this individual with an opportunity to reach those who have direct contact with the people Health First was designed to serve. Most importantly, she fearlessly approaches people one-on-one in food pantries, soup kitchens, homeless shelters, day labor agencies, in the parks, on the street, and any other place she observes a person in need. Her genuine and overwhelming sense of compassion, kindness, and understanding, combined with her personality and smile that can make anyone stay a little brighter, encourages people who are often frightened, troubled, and alone to connect with and trust this stranger whose sincerity is so obvious. A great many of you here today know exactly who to call when you have a client who needs health care or has other needs, knowing that she will work diligently and tirelessly to ensure that their needs are met. She's one of our community's greatest healthcare advocates and a blessing to all those in need. This year's award goes to Linda Hennessy.
The Greater Fall River Child Protection Council acknowledges Mrs. Linda Hennessy, Outreach Coordinator, Help First Family Care Center, for her work with children and family, and everything else you do.
I really didn't expect it, so I have nothing to say, which is so unusual. I'm speechless. This was the best kept secret. And I honor this, and I cherish this, and I wish everybody in the room could do one good thing for one person per day, and it would be a better world. I thank everybody here.
We voted on this 2 months ago. Linda wasn't at that meeting, and the following meeting, we had to keep it from the minutes. Who was getting the individual? Said, no, Linda, it's only two agencies that get it. We didn't choose the individual. She even drew her partner in crime, Elisa, from Wick, asking her, asking Paula, asking everybody, who's getting it, calling me, emailing me. It's like, Linda, nobody's getting it, don't worry.